So it's the World Immunization Week. Lagos State Government, in conjunction with UNICEF, putting this together as a flag of the World Immunization Week. It's an awareness program to ensure that no one is left behind as regards to the eradication of polio in Lagos State and indeed in Nigeria. Real quick now, let's talk to the UNICEF chief here in Lagos, Sele. She's right here with me. Sele, good morning. Thank you for joining us. This is News Central Television.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So quickly, tell us, today is a flag off. Talk to us about it.
So this week is World Immunization Week, and today we're flagging off the campaign together with the Walk for Polio that we've organized with Lagos State governments. We were here this morning with the First Lady of the States, together with the wife of the Deputy Governor, UNICEF and WHO, all the representatives of communities, religious leaders, the parents and the children. What's important for us during this week, during this walk, is more than awareness. It's about educating parents to health and what matters for health. Vaccines are a very, very powerful tool to keep our children alive, to save them from dying from preventable diseases. That's what we need. Together, we were looking for commitment from the government to commit. We will do until there is no more zero-dose children, no more unvaccinated children. We cannot leave a single child unvaccinated to die from a preventable disease, something we should have prevented. We should have kept that child alive. So we want to debunk rumors. We want to stop misinformation. Together with commitment, with government, we're making this commitment to make sure that every single parent is educated to health and the health of their child.
Talk to us about vaccine hesitancy. I hear it's still a problem here.
It's still a problem in remote areas, sometimes not even in such remote areas. Vaccine hesitation, vaccine misconstruction, vaccine misinformation, rumors are still a reality, even in this Lagos. So it is important to understand that vaccines since the late 70s have saved more than 150 million lives. That means 6 lives per minute for the last 5 decades. It's a huge, powerful tool. Vaccines save lives. But to do that, you need to vaccinate your children, and you need to vaccinate them well. We're doing a campaign at the moment. We're bringing the vaccines to the households, to the parents, for their children to be vaccinated. But some vaccines take 1 jab, some vaccines take 2 jabs, some vaccines take 3 jabs. If you don't, as a parent, if you're not accountable for taking your child back to the PAC to have the 2nd jab or the 3rd jab, to make sure that your child is completely free and protected from those diseases, you have failed to protect your children, and you have wasted precious vaccines for other children. That is very important to understand.
What more do we need to know as you flag off this campaign?
Polio is resurging at the moment in Nigeria and in some other countries. So vaccinate your children against polio. Today, it's a 1-drop, very well-known vaccine. No stinging, no needle, just 1 drop. Very effective to prevent polio. Nigeria was polio-free a few years ago. It was declared polio-free. The virus is currently resurging. It takes 1 person to be infected by polio for 200 people around in the communities to take the risk, to be at risk of being infected and therefore being paralyzed by polio. Just take that 1-drop vaccine. Take your children to take it. It's a 1 shot. It's not even a shot. It's a 1 drop. It's an easy one. It's accessible. It's available. And at the moment during the campaign, it's at no cost. Please make sure as parents you protect your children against polio and you take them to be vaccinated.
Well, indeed, the message is clear. Make sure you vaccinate your children. It is very, very important. Something very key that Celine just said. There is a resurgence of polio in Lagos and indeed in Nigeria. And that's why this awareness is really, really important. Well, the work is still ongoing. It started from the governor's, from the wife of the governor's office. and we're heading down all the way here in Ikeja, and we'll try to get to so many places as we can as we drive the message that no child must or should be left behind in terms of polio eradication. But that's all for now from here. Back to you, Joe.